How to delete Quora account permanently. So if you want to delete your Quora account permanently, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Quora and click on the first search, which says www.quora.com, and after that make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, go to your profile, which is on the upper right corner, and then head over to settings. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now under settings you will have a bunch of options. Go to privacy, and then here scroll all the way down, and on the last option you will find delete account. Click on that, and then you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can click on forgot password, and then you can reset your password. But if you remember, then enter your password. And now if you want to delete your account, then you have to click on done. But for now I don't want to delete my account, but if you want to delete it, then you can simply click on done. And that's it. That's how you delete your Quora account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.